Hey, what's up guys? It's me, MTG Box here, here with the unboxing here of Make Playing Cards, or MPC for short. I ordered a couple of proxies, and I'm just going to open it up and showcase some of the cards I got. So let's just get right in here. Just going to open it up. That's good. Maybe not. Hold on. There. So here's what is in the box. You get some nice cushion for your cards, and of course the cards themselves. And here we are. Clearly you can tell that these are just proxies. I'm not trying to counterfeit or anything. Right here you have not for sale. So let's just showcase these off here. Okay. So there's just a commander deck in here, and then some one-ofs that I needed for other things. So let's get these out of the way. Okay, here we go. Very nice print quality, of course, with MPC here. Very nice cards. And as you can tell, all of these cards will not have the copyright. They won't have a hollow indicator, anything like that. The backs, of course, are different. These are just proxies, not intended for any tournament play or whatnot. Let's get that in. There we are. Very great print quality with MPC. No blurry images or nothing. The text is very legible, very nice. And here's a double-sided card here. Very nice. So we've just got some classic command cards for my deck. Nothing crazy here. Just wanted to showcase MPC. Probably the best proxies you can get in the market right now. Especially if you want proxies that are just proxies and not trying to be counterfeits or anything. Very nice. discarded. Very nice. Even the weirder frame cards, like the classics, look totally perfect. Nothing out of the ordinary. Your older frame cards look pretty stunning as well. You can even get alternate art. So, of course, Rick being one of the classic secret lair cards that no one really likes, so, you know, get your alternate art version. Very nice. Got some planes. Look at that. Gorgeous. Got some interesting border here. Quite cute. Coming here to the end. I love proxies. They cost little to nothing. This order costed me around $20. And, you know, buying all these cards individually would have cost me thousands. And it's nice to play with the cards you want to play with instead of playing with your wallet, as I like to say. Everlasting Caverns. Beautiful. That's it for that video. As you can tell, the quality on these are just phenomenal. I do not think you can beat Make playing cards. Very great artwork. Perfect print quality, the top of the notch. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you tune in for any new videos that I produce.